that's just what I see. In my vision of love, I see.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take some mousse, put it in my hands, and kind of smooth my hair back, because I've had these braids up for going on a month. Like, they're really wild. Alright, here I have both of my wigs that I ordered from RPG Hair, and I'm just taking the elastic band from the first one I ordered and just gonna place it in the second one. I'm just making sure the wig is on my head right, so I can go ahead and cut the hair that's covering my ears off. I use this tie to hold my hair back so it won't get in the way while I'm laying down my lace. Okay, now it's time to lay your lace down, and I just take my Got to Be Free spray and I spray it directly onto my hairline, and I take my blow dryer and I set it on the coolest setting but also on high, and I just blow dry until I feel like it's dry. I like to take my comb or my fingernails, anything other than my actual fingertips, and press in the lace into the glue just to make sure everything's sticking. Once I'm done actually gluing the lace down, I go back in with my scissors and I cut off all the excess lace. Alright, as you see, I have a lot of lace left over, so I'm going to go in with my hand. I'm going to pull on it until it goes up to the hairline, and I'm also going to cut off this lace. Alright, so I know you sitting there like, this girl hairline ashy. She done pulled up a whole little tab on her wig, but that's okay. We about to fix that. See, the trick to that is you get you some glue. I'm talking about the glue, not the spray, the one in the lid bottle. You take some glue out that bottle and you put it on the tip of that comb, and you just rake it into the ashy part of your lace. And baby, when I tell you, it worked like magic. Sometimes I like to tie my actual hairline down just to make sure it's really, really sitting into that skin. I'm talking about, I don't want this wig to move, y'all. Look, pause. Just go ahead, plug in your hot combs real quick. I did go in and add some baby hairs. I did a little swoop, but it just looked real good to me without the swoops. I had to just hold off on them.